Ever picked up your phone to check just one thing, and an hour later you're still scrolling with no idea where the time went? Welcome to Body Brain Decode, where we decode the hidden secrets of your mind and body. Social media isn't just addictive by accident. It's designed to hijack your brain using the exact same mechanisms as gambling and drugs. It feels harmless, but every time you open an app, your brain enters a cycle that's almost impossible to break without understanding what's happening. It all starts with the dopamine reward system. Every notification, like, or comment triggers a small burst of dopamine in your brain's reward center. Dopamine doesn't just make you feel good, it makes you crave more. It's the same chemical released when people use cocaine or win at slot machines. But here's the trick. Social media uses variable reward schedules. Sometimes you get likes, sometimes you don't. This unpredictability makes it even more addictive than consistent rewards. Your brain loves uncertainty. When you don't know what you'll find when you refresh, your dopamine system goes into overdrive, keeping you hooked on the possibility of reward. Then there's the infinite scroll. No natural stopping point means your brain never gets closure. You keep scrolling, searching for that next hit of dopamine. Social media also exploits your fear of missing out, or FOMO. Your amygdala, the fear center, triggers anxiety when you're not online, pushing you to check constantly. Over time, your prefrontal cortex, responsible for self-control and decision-making, weakens. You lose the ability to resist the urge to check your phone. So how do you break free? Turn off notifications, set time limits, and recognize when you're scrolling mindlessly. Awareness is the first step to taking back control. If this opened your eyes to what social media does to your brain, hit subscribe for more science that protects your mind.